Muller in. And that off. Opening Derby Day with the Gain Railway Stakes, Group 2 over 6 furlongs, fielding 9 runners. And it's the stable companions Lightning Army in the quartered cap, who shows 2 lengths in front. The end of the first furlong, Bucanero Fuerte. 2.5 lengths back to Unquestionable. The favourite disputes third with Supersonic Man on the left as His Majesty, followed to halfway by Devious. And then Democracy, I'm Invictus, and the blue cap bringing up the rear is Mythology. It's Lightning Army striding on to go 3 lengths in front under Gary Halpin, followed by Bucanero Fuerte and Russell Ryan. Then Unquestionable and Ryan Moore, the greyish colours, pushed along as His Majesty, being followed just outside the final 2 by Supersonic Man. Lightning Army is coming back to stable companion Bucanero Fuerte, who's now picked off by Unquestionable. They're followed by His Majesty. Devious is next with I'm Invictus, racing towards the final furlong, and Unquestionable picks it up from Bucanero Fuerte on the stand side, followed in third place by His Majesty, running inside the final 150 yards. It's Unquestionable from Bucanero Fuerte, who's fighting back on the stand side. Bucanero Fuerte and Unquestionable have gone by together, followed after a gap His Majesty in third place.
Photo finish, photo finish. Complete result of the first race. First number 1, second number 9, third number 4, fourth number 5, fifth number 7 and sixth number 8. That's 1, 9, 4, 5, 7 from 8. Distances for the first race: a short head, 4.5 lengths, 1.5 lengths, half a length and a head. That's a short head, 4.5 lengths, 1.5 lengths, half a length and a head. Time for the race: 1 minute 09.97 seconds. That's 1 minute 09.97 seconds.